Hi, I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out. We're all about tasty food made easy. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna make doner kebab quesadilla. For this recipe, we're using 3 other recipes available on our channel. Start by cutting up a 1/4 cup of doner kebab meat, then place a tortilla on a clean surface or on a plate. Spread a 1/4 cup of the doner kebab red sauce on one half of the tortilla, and another 1/4 cup of the doner kebab white sauce on the other half. Spread the doner kebab meat on top of the red sauce, and sprinkle half a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese on top. Then add optional toppings such as red onions and hot peppers if you're using a regular pizza sauce. Then fold the tortilla in half. Then melt half a tablespoon of butter in a medium hot skillet. Then fry the tortilla on one side for 1 to 2 minutes. You can also use a griddle or a panini press if you wish. Then carefully flip the tortilla over and fry for another 1 to 2 minutes. What is your favorite use of leftover doner kebab meat? Let us know in the comments. When done, place the tortilla on a serving plate and cut into 4 pieces. And there you have it, a doner kebab quesadilla. I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out, and thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe.